Welcome to Simple Coding, guys. Today we are going to discuss about data types. So let's take one example here of registration form. In registration form, we have to fill our name, address, date of birth, education details, and other details. So when we look at the registration form, in name we have to write in text format. In address we have to write in the numbers like living room numbers or pin code in the form of numbers and other in text format. In case of date of birth and education details, we have to write combination of both. In case of education detail, when we are giving the percentage, we have to use the decimal numbers. So when we look at the registration form, we can mainly divide into two parts. First is in text format, another is in number format. Number can be integral or decimal. So in this way, we have multiple data types that we can be used in Java. So let's look into it. So first is primitive data types and second is non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, we have mainly three types: numeric data type, character data type, or boolean data type. Numeric data is a value of numbers. So numbers can be integral or floating, that is maybe integer or decimal value. In case of integral, we have four types depending upon the size of the data types. So we have first one is byte, which is of 1 byte, which is also equals to 8 bits. Then second we have short, which is of 2 byte. Then third we have int, which is of 4 byte. When you perform any operations in Java, the usually result is stored into int format. And the last one is long, which is of 8 byte in case of integral. Next we have floating. Mainly we have two types, float and double. Float is of 8, it's a 4 byte, and double is of 8 byte. So in case of floating, when Java performs any operation related to floating, the result is stored into double format. Next we have character. Character is of 2 byte. So let's take an example here. So character A, char A equals to S. So in case of character, we can store a single character value at a time. Next we have boolean data type. So boolean can store only two values, true or false. Next we have non-primitive data type. In non-primitive data type, we are using string. When we compare with the character data type, character can store only single character value at a time. In case of string, we can store multiple character at a time. Likewise, we have multiple non-primitive data types. We'll discuss in this in further videos. Now, each and every data type like byte, short, int, long, float, double, character, and boolean, these things will be covered in few videos or in further videos in details. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.